warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I am Nanang Febrian. Today I will give my opinions about our new president, namely Mr. Prabowo. In my opinion, he is someone who never give up and is firm. Therefore, I am impressed with him, and that is a motivation for me. And he is a person who has a very national spirit. And finally, he is someone who really impressed me. That's all I can say. So I hope you have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome. Okay, this is myself. Hello, I'm Nanang Febrian. My name is 192400610. My class is 19, 1A, 30. Okay, next. Okay, the topics I will discuss is our new president, Mr. Prabowo Subianto. Okay, let's discuss it straight away. Officially becomes President of the Republic of Indonesia, Prabowo focused on food self-sufficiency and eradicating corruption. Prabowo Subianto and Gibran Rakabuming officially became President and the Vice President of the Republic of Indonesia after being inaugurated in a ceremony at the DPR MPR building in Jakarta, Sunday, October 20, 2024. In his inaugural speech, Prabowo said his government will focus on promoting food and energy security and continuing to eradicate corruption. Regarding food self-sufficiency, Prabowo emphasized that Indonesia should not depend on foreign food sources because if a crisis occurs, food exporting countries will not allow Indonesia to buy. Next. Therefore, there is no other way. In the shortest possible time, we must achieve food security. We must be able to produce and meet the food needs of all Indonesian people, said Prabowo. Prabowo is confident that Indonesia can achieve food independence in 4 to 5 years. For the same reason, Prabowo emphasized that the new government will also focus on energy security. In the event of a possible war, we must be prepared for the worst possible outcome. Other countries must think about their own interests. If something happens that we don't want, it will be difficult for us to get energy support from other countries, he said. And, and according to him, Indonesia has abundant resources to achieve energy security. For example, he said Indonesia has palm oil, cassava, sugarcane, and corn that can be processed into diesel and gasoline. Okay, next. Another sector that will be the focus of the Prabowo government is the eradication of corruption through system improvement, strict law enforcement, and digitalization. God willing, we must reduce corruption significantly, but we must do this. All elements of leadership must set an example. Ing ngarso sung tulodo. All officials from all echelons and all levels must set an example to carry out the cleanest possible government leadership. Prabowo emphasized, quoting Ki Hajar Dewantoro's slogan, which meant in front giving an example or role model. Efforts to reduce poverty will also be on the priorities of the Prabowo government. Too many of our brothers and sisters are below the poverty line. Too many of our children go to school without breakfast. Too many of our children do not have clothes to go to school, said Prabowo, who was wearing a blue basket jacket and brown songket cloth. A number of programs that will be taken to combat poverty are utilizing digital technology to ensure that subsidies are right on target and the provision of nutrition food and at least once a day. Inauguration procession. The inauguration ceremony for the president and vice president, which started at 10 10:00 p.m., was ended by 709 709 of the 731 members of the 2004 to 2009 Consultative Assembly of the Republic of Indonesia (MPR RI). The inauguration procession began with the singing of the national anthem Indonesia Raya, which was followed by silence for the Chipra and the opening of the plenary session for the inauguration of the President of the Republic of Indonesia and the Vice President of the Republic of Indonesia, which was followed by taking the oath. Controversial presidential election. Prabowo and Gibran won the presidential election on February 14, 2024 in the round with a vote of 19,620 votes or 58.59%. According to data box, Prabowo Gibran's votes tally was the highest since direct presidential election were held in 2004. That's all topic from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.